This video introduces the AltTester AI Extension and demonstrates it live on a sample game, a simple first-person shooter developed by Photon Engine. In this game, the player moves using WASD, looks around with the arrow keys, shoots with the left mouse click, and can pick up weapons or health packs scattered in a warehouse-like environment filled with container obstacles. The game is already instrumented with AltTester, so we can control it through AltTester Desktop as well as directly in the game. That means any action a player can perform, moving, aiming, shooting, interacting with items, can also be executed programmatically via the AltTester API. Before we can start testing and using the AI-powered features, we need to set up the extension. In this example, we'll configure it in Visual Studio Code or VS Code using GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant that can generate and suggest code, explain logic, and follow prompts to create new files or refactor existing ones. You'll also need the Copilot Chat extension, which enables interactive conversational prompts. We recommend using Copilot in agent mode with 𝗪𝗺𝗺 LLM, a large language model known for its strong reasoning and coding capabilities. MCP servers are a way for AI tools like Copilot or Claude to connect to external systems. They act as bridges, letting the AI send commands to a program, receive live data from it, and use that context to make more intelligent suggestions. The AltTester AI extension is itself an MCP server. This means Copilot or Claude can query the extension for live information about the game, objects on screen, UI state, player position, etc., and then use that real-time data to generate accurate, context-aware automated tests. To set it up, open the MCP configuration in Visual Studio Code and add the AltTester configuration. The AltTester MCP comes bundled with the AltTester desktop application and is usually stored in the user folder under the name AltTester MCP. Once added, Copilot will be able to interact with the game via the extension. The tool is not limited to VS Code. It works with any MCP-compatible client, including Claude Desktop, Rider, and Goose. Once configured, you can start with a simple prompt to Copilot. For example, create a starter project for our first-person shooter game. At this point, all three components work together. GitHub Copilot interprets your request and generates the starter project code. 𝗪𝗺𝗺 LLM powers Copilot's reasoning and coding generation in agent mode. And the AltTester AI extension provides live game data and control, so the generated tests actually interact with the running game. The starter project includes a ready-to-run test suite, clear instructions on setup and execution, and direct connection to your game. When we run the included tests, they connect to the game in real time. One passes, one fails intentionally, so you can see how failures are reported. At the end, you get a clean HTML report with test results and screenshots from your game. The starter project is just the foundation. With another prompt, we can tell Copilot to adapt the main menu test to our actual game. Copilot then uses the AltTester API via MCP to inspect the current game state, finds UI elements like the Quick Play button, Party Menu button, Settings button, and Quit button, and generates a main menu view class containing those elements and helper methods to interact with them. From there, Copilot can create additional tests. Some may fail initially, but by reading the test output, the AI can suggest fixes, such as reloading the startup scene to ensure the game starts from a known state. By the end, you'll have a functional test suite tailored to your game. You'll know how to expand it using natural language prompts, and you'll understand how Copilot, Claude Sonnet LLM, and the AltTester AI extension collaborate via MCP to speed up and improve test creation. In future videos, we'll explore building more complex scenarios and test flows using the AltTester AI extension.